Picture the savory crunch of perfectly crisp bacon embracing the delicate tenderness of fresh asparagus. A keto symphony of flavors awaits, elevated with a sprinkle of grated parmesan and adorned with vibrant fresh herbs. Get ready for a culinary journey that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the taste buds. You're going to love this asparagus recipe. Welcome to our Keto Delight series. Today, we're making crispy bacon-wrapped asparagus spears, a perfect low-carb dish for your keto lifestyle. Let's dive in. Bundling fresh asparagus and wrapping them in bacon. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, then onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Watch as the bacon becomes crispy and the asparagus turns tender. It's a mouth-watering transformation. Finish by sprinkling grated Parmesan cheese. Plate them up, and voila! Imagine biting into the perfect blend of crispy bacon and tender asparagus. Pure Keto Delight. Garnished with fresh herbs, it's a feast for the eyes and taste buds. Indulge in this Keto Delight, crispy bacon-wrapped asparagus spears. Like, subscribe, and comment for more keto-friendly recipes. Until next time.